Ready to unlock the secrets to creating breathtaking AI art? First, ensure you're in a Midjourney Discord server, either the official one or a private server with the Midjourney bot added. Initiate the magic with the Imagine command. This is your gateway to the AI's creative mind. Now comes the crucial part, crafting your prompt. The more detailed and descriptive you are, the better the AI understands your vision. Include subjects, art styles, and even lighting conditions. Midjourney will then generate for initial images based on your prompt, each a unique interpretation. Underneath these images, you'll see buttons labeled U1 through U4. Use these to upscale your favorite image into a larger, more detailed version. Or, use V1 through V4 to create variations of a specific image you like. Explore different takes on the same concept. Ready to go deeper? Explore advanced parameters like AR for aspect ratios, stylize to control the art style intensity, and version to specify the Midjourney model you want to use. All of these parameters are entered into your prompt to change the final result. Mastering Midjourney is all about experimentation and learning, so dive in, tweak your prompts, and watch your imagination come to life. Unleash your inner artist and share your creations with the world. The possibilities are endless.